You just bought a used luxury car for $8,000 thinking you got an amazing deal. 6 months later, you've spent $4,000 on repairs and the check engine light is back on. Sound familiar? That cheap car just became the most expensive mistake of your life. Here's the truth. Some cars are cheap to buy for a very good reason. They're money pits waiting to drain your bank account. What looks like a bargain up front turns into a financial nightmare of constant repairs, expensive parts, and specialist labor costs. Today, we're exposing 10 cars that seem like great deals, but will cost you a fortune to maintain. These are the vehicles mechanics see constantly in their shops, and smart buyers avoid like the plague. This is CarCulture-X. If you want to avoid expensive automotive mistakes, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into the list. Number 10. BMW 7 Series, E65 generation. Starting at number 10 is the BMW 7 Series from 2002 to 2008. You can buy these flagship luxury sedans for $5,000 to $8,000, which seems like an incredible deal for a car that originally cost $70,000 to $100,000. There's a reason they're so cheap. The E65 7 Series is notorious for electronic nightmares. The iDrive system fails constantly. The air suspension compressor dies every 60,000 to 80,000 miles at $2,000 to replace. The valve stem seals leak, causing excessive oil consumption. The transmission mechatronic unit fails at $3,500 for replacement. Annual maintenance costs average $3,000 to $5,000 for these cars. That's more than the car is worth after just 2 years of ownership. Parts are expensive because they're BMW, and labor costs are high because everything requires specialized tools and knowledge. The E65 also suffers from electrical gremlins that are nearly impossible to diagnose. Random warning lights, systems that stop working for no reason, and problems that come and go. Mechanics hate these cars because they're so unreliable and time-consuming. Avoid the E65 7 Series unless you have a dedicated BMW specialist on speed dial and money to burn. The initial savings disappear quickly into repair costs. Number 9. Range Rover L322 generation. Range Rover L322 from 2002 to 2012. These luxury SUVs sell for $8,000 to $15,000 used, which seems reasonable for such a prestigious vehicle. It's a trap. Range Rovers are legendary for unreliability. The air suspension fails constantly at $2,500 to $4,000 per corner to replace. The BMW-sourced V8 engines have timing chain guide failures, causing catastrophic engine damage at $8,000 to repair. The transfer case and differentials leak and fail frequently. Electrical problems are endless. Window regulators, seat motors, climate control modules, navigation systems all fail regularly. Parts are obscenely expensive because they're Land Rover parts, and labor rates are high because few mechanics want to work on them. Average annual maintenance costs run $4,000 to $6,000. That doesn't include major repairs like engine or transmission work. Owners report spending more on repairs than the vehicle is worth within 3 years. The L322 Range Rover is a money pit disguised as luxury. Unless you're wealthy enough to not care about repair costs, stay far away. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220 2000 to 2006 sells used for $3,000 to $7,000, but cheap purchase prices hide costly maintenance. Air suspension failures cost $2,000 to $3,000 per corner, and the ABC system can fail catastrophically at $5,000 to $8,000. Engine wiring harnesses deteriorate, $2,000 to fix. Transmissions slip or fail, $4,000 to $6,000. And electronics constantly malfunction. Rust is common in rear fenders, door sills, and trunk floors, with repairs often not worth it. Annual maintenance runs $3,000 to $5,000 before major repairs. While still a flagship Mercedes, the W220 is a financial trap for used buyers. 7. Volkswagen Touareg, first generation. The first-generation Volkswagen Touareg, 2004 to 2010, sells used for $5,000 to $10,000. Sharing a platform with the Porsche Cayenne and Audi Q7, it comes with costly maintenance. Air suspension fails at $2,000 to $3,000 per corner. The 3.0 TDI diesel has timing chain and fuel system issues, while V8 models suffer cooling and engine problems. Transfer cases and differentials fail often, and electronics are complex, requiring expensive dealer repairs. Routine maintenance is steep. Oil changes $150, brakes $800 to $1,200, tires $1,200 to $1,500. Annual upkeep averages $2,500 to $4,000 before major repairs. The Touareg is capable off-road, but a financial risk for used buyers unprepared for German luxury maintenance costs. Number 6. Jaguar XJ X350 generation. The Jaguar XJ X350, 2003 to 2009, sells used for $4,000 to $8,000. These aluminum-bodied sedans are gorgeous but notoriously unreliable. Electrical problems are constant, infotainment systems fail, and air suspension compressors cost around $2,000 to replace. V8 timing chain tensioners can fail, causing $5,000 to $8,000 engine repairs. Transmission issues are common, with replacements costing $4,000 to $6,000. Water pumps on V8 models often fail and are costly due to supercharger removal. Parts are expensive and hard to find, and few mechanics want to work on them, driving labor costs up. Annual maintenance easily runs $3,000 to $5,000. While stunning, the XJ is financially risky, best admired from afar unless you're prepared for expensive upkeep. Before we continue, if you're learning which cars to avoid, hit that subscribe button for CarCulture-X. We help you dodge expensive automotive mistakes. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our money-saving content. Now let's continue with number 5. Number 5. The Audi A8 D3 generation. The Audi A8 D3, 2004 to 2010, sells used for $6,000 to $12,000. Packed with technology, it's expensive to maintain. V8 timing chain tensioners can fail, causing $6,000 to $10,000 engine repairs. Air suspension fails at $2,000 to $3,000 per corner, and the MMI system is costly to replace. Direct injection engines suffer carbon buildup requiring walnut blasting, $800 to $1,200 every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Transmission mechatronic units fail, $3,000 to $5,000, and oil consumption is high. Routine costs are steep. Brakes $1,200 to $1,800. Tires $1,200 to $1,600, and oil changes $150 to $200. Annual maintenance averages $3,500 to $5,500 before major repairs. The A8 is impressive technically, but can quickly become a financial black hole for used buyers. Number 4. BMW X5, E53 and E70 generations. The BMW X5, including the E53, 2000 to 2006, and E70, 2007 to 2013, sells used for $5,000 to $12,000. Popular and well-built, these SUVs are costly to maintain. The E53 suffers transfer case failures, $2,500 to $3,500, weak cooling systems with plastic parts that can overheat, and window regulator failures, $400 to $600 per window. The E70 has more serious issues. N54 and N63 engines face high-pressure fuel pump failures, $1,500, turbo failures on N54 engines, $3,000 to $5,000, and N63 timing chain problems, $8,000 to $12,000. Routine maintenance is expensive. Oil changes $150, brakes $1,000 to $1,500, and AWD servicing is complex. Annual upkeep averages $2,500 to $4,000. When everything works, the X5 is excellent, but repairs are frequent and costly, making it a financial risk for owners unprepared for the maintenance. Number 3. Porsche Cayenne, first generation. The first-generation Porsche Cayenne from 2003 to 2010 sells for $8,000 to $15,000 used. They're Porsches, so maintenance is always expensive. But with the Cayenne, it's worse than you think. Coolant pipes through the engine valley crack and leak, requiring engine removal to replace at $3,000 to $5,000. Air suspension fails at $2,500 to $4,000 per corner. Transfer cases and differentials leak and fail. V8 engines can suffer bore scoring, leading to full engine replacement at $15,000 to $25,000 installed, while V6 models have timing chain issues. Turbo models face turbo failures and coolant problems. Routine maintenance is steep. Oil changes $200 to $300, brakes $1,500 to $2,500, tires $1,500 to $2,000. Annual upkeep averages $4,000 to $6,000 before major repairs. The Cayenne is an excellent SUV, but owning one requires Porsche-level income. Don't underestimate the cost just because the purchase price seems low. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211 from 2003 to 2009. These are extremely common on the used market for $4,000 to $10,000. They seem like good deals until repair bills start arriving. The W211 E-Class has well-documented problems. The Airmatic suspension fails at $2,000 to $3,000 per corner. The SBC brake system fails catastrophically and was recalled, but many cars still have problems at $2,500 to fix. The balance shaft components fail in M272 V6 engines, causing complete engine destruction at $8,000 to $12,000 to repair. Rust is a major issue on these cars, particularly in the rear fenders and door sills. Transmission issues are common with the 7-speed automatic. The conductor plate fails inside the transmission at $1,500 to $2,500 to replace. Electronics fail constantly. Seat motors, window regulators, climate control modules, all expensive to repair. Oil leaks from valve covers, oil pan, and rear main seal are common. Annual maintenance costs run $2,500 to $4,500 before addressing major problems. The W211 is cheap to buy but expensive to own. Avoid unless you have a trusted Mercedes specialist and a healthy repair budget. We're almost at number 1, but if this list is saving you from expensive mistakes, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X. Share this with anyone shopping for used cars. One more terrible choice coming up. Number 1. Land Rover Discovery, LR3 and LR4. The Land Rover Discovery, especially the LR3, 2005 to 2009, and LR4, 2010 to 2016, is cheap to buy, $6,000 to $15,000, but a nightmare to maintain. Air suspension fails at $2,500 to $4,000 per corner. Timing chain guides on the 4.4-liter V8 can destroy the engine $8,000 to $12,000, and the 5.0-liter V8 has similar issues. Water pumps, cooling systems, transfer cases, and differentials all leak. Electrical problems are constant. Terrain response, navigation, climate control, seat heaters, and door locks all fail. Parts are expensive, labor is high, and routine maintenance costs $4,000 to $7,000 annually before major repairs. Owners often spend more on repairs than the vehicle's value within 2 years. While capable off-road, the Discovery is a financial disaster on a driveway. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it last for reliability. The LR3 and LR4 are a prime example of why cheap luxury SUVs can be terrible investments. There you have it, 10 cheap cars that cost a fortune to maintain. From BMW 7 Series to Land Rover Discovery, these vehicles seem like great deals until repair bills arrive. If this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, hit that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X for more honest automotive advice. Drop a comment telling us if you've owned any of these money pits and what your experience was.